Hi guys, this is Rita from Tech Bible, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 Hi guys, this is Rita from Tech Bible, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best video editing apps in 2024. Oh no, we're 2025. Hi guys, this is Rita, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best video editing apps in 2022. Let's go. Oh my god, this is taking too long.
Hold on. Gita, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get this hook right.
Why are you still recording yourself over and over? Let me show you a better way.
Okay.
Can you send me your last take?
Yeah, I'll airdrop it.
So now that I have this video, you recorded once and you liked the shot?
Yeah.
We're just gonna change what you said in the video. So I'm just gonna use sync and we're just gonna edit what you said to just make a completely different hook.
That's awesome. And
yes.
My face won't be impacted? Will it look real?
Look almost perfect.
Okay, show me.
What did you actually mean to say?
I wanted to say 2025 and best video editing software tools, and I did not say that.
Okay, just record a voice memo real quick.
Best video editing software tools in 2025.
Easy.
Easy.
Cool. Now we're gonna take that audio, we're just gonna upload it, and we're just gonna hit sync.
Okay.
So we're gonna use our latest model. It's Lip Sync 2. It's gonna learn how you say things, and I don't need to see you before. Like, we're just gonna use this video. And we're just going to edit it, and it's going to replace 2022 with 2025.
Oh my god, that will save me so much time. Do you know how many takes I have to do every day?
Yes.
But this is awesome. And how long have you been building this?
We've been working on this for about 1.5 years. The research is longer, and we spun out of a lab, but what we're working on now is light years ahead of what we used to work on. So.
That's really cool. And I assume developers would use this directly into video editing products, right?
Absolutely.
I'm surprised we don't have it more in all the consumer apps, like TikTok.
Oh, we're going to put it everywhere.
Shout out to TikTok. Sorry. But technically, how does this work?
Take a video of you. We identify the part of the video that we want to change. So in this case, we just want to reanimate your lips, because we just make it look like you're saying something else. We take your face, we mask it out, we tell the model, now based on what you actually want to say, what should you look like you're saying? And we ask it to just imagine it in the video.
Okay, did you make that model?
Yes, we trained it from scratch.
Wow, that's really cool. That's so much better than having to have a separate avatar to do that. I can just use it on my existing video. What about my voice? Does it keep the same tone?
So we have multiple partners that we use for voice,
okay.
And you can clone your voice. You just record it yourself, but if you have a clone, you just type in text and change exactly what you said.
That's amazing.
So you just record once, you go to Italy and you have the perfect shot. Use it every year if you want to.
That's really cool. I'm so surprised that we don't have this in like a YouTuber's video editing tool, so I can be the next Mr. Beast or Mistress Beast. This is awesome. And how many people are using it right now? What are they using it for? What can people that are maybe not part of bigger teams use it today?
Yeah, we have an app. I mean, you can come in, you can use it today. It's self-serve. We have hundreds of thousands of developers and video editors that use us. We're used from kind of people like us who make content on the daily, and also in enterprise and people making other interesting things and telling stories in different ways. We want to help people tell better stories. So hopefully this is one good step.
That's a really good mission to be in. And what's your background, Brady?
I'm an engineer. I used to be a corporate engineer, but I used to work in an applied team at Microsoft. I quit. I hacked for a while, especially during COVID. I met my co-founders at the chance, and then we decided to just build something cool. So far, so good.
And what's the vision for this? I see every ad agency or even Hollywood use this. Is that where you're going with it? Is that where you want it to be?
Imagine if you had a VFX team in your pocket, and the things that cost $500,000 to do in 12 weeks, 16 weeks, you could just do in 5 minutes on your phone.
Yeah.
Right. So I think that's the way we're thinking about how we approach this.
Nice. That's amazing. I mean, having a realistic avatar of me that speaks Portuguese would be awesome.
You don't even need an avatar.
I don't even need that.
You don't even need an
I
avatar.
keep forgetting. Oh my god, that's awesome. All right, well, thank you so much for showing me this.
Absolutely.
I'm going to go and film the rest of the video.
Okay, I'm going to go find a quiet room.
All right, cool. Thank you. Cheers. Hi guys, this is Rita from Tech Bible, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best video editing apps in 2025. Let's go.